It is my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Let's Say Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yaku, and in today's video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to convert text to audio using just your Android phone, a step-by-step tutorial. So let's go. Well, before we dive into the tutorial, if you are very new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell, so each time I post valuable content like this, you'll be notified. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to convert text to audio using free AI. Step-by-step tutorial. Okay, so the very first thing you want to do if you are using Android phone, what you need to do is to head over to your Play Store. Okay, then you have to make use of your search engine right here and search for narrator voice. You can see narrator voice, so click on that. So this is the app we are going to use. I'm going to click on that. Then next thing I'm going to do is to click on install. After a successful download and install the narrator voice, the next thing you want to do is to click on open. Alright, so it's going to take you to this particular page right here. So right here, you're going to be given a simple way by which you can use this narrator voice. So just right here, click on allow. So the next thing I'm going to do is to just click on this cross sign right here too. So this is the full interface of the app. So let's see how to convert text to audio using this particular AI app. So the first thing we want to do is to make sure we generate our text. So you can use any AI app to also generate your text, or better still, you can just type in your text into this particular place right here. So in this case, I'm going to head over to my ChatGPT to generate a simple text that we are going to convert into audio. Okay. So right here, this is my AI chat. So I'm going to open up on that. The next thing I'm going to do is to just type in whatever I want to generate. So right here, I will just say generate or write the Lord's Prayer. Then I'll click on send. So for me to copy this text, what I need to do is to just click on here. Then I'll click on copy text. Okay, then I'll head over back to voice narrator right here. Then I will click and hold down and paste the text right here. So I'll click and hold down, paste. So having pasted my text, you can see the text right here. You can also import your text using this icon right here. So if I click on here, you can see different options by which you can use to import your text. You can also apply text to image, text to text, PDF to text. These are the stuff you can do, and voice to text right here. So having import your text or type in your text into the text column right here, the next thing you want to do is to click on here to choose your narrator. So right here we have this person right here by default as my narrator, the English United States. So you can choose your narrator. For you to choose another narrator, just click on here. Then you will be allowed to choose from variety of narrator. You can use a female voice right here. So this is a female voice. I'm going to try this voice out. And bear in mind, some of the one you see with crown, some of the narrator you see with crown right here, they are premium, so you can use them for free. But this one right here is free. Okay, so I'm going to choose that. Then the language spoken. So you can click on here to select another language entirely if you don't want to be speaking English language. So these are all countries, these are different countries languages that you can speak. Okay, but as for me, I will leave it in English language. And once you are done with all the necessary settings, then just click on go back, and the narrator voice is going to change. So you can see we have female narrator voice. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is to test the voice. So for you to do that, just click on this play button right here, and let's hear.
For Thy will be done on earth.
So that is the voice. If you don't like the voice, just go back to your narrator right here. So I'm going to click on narrator, and I'll make sure I change the voice from here. Then I will look for another free voice. So let's try and make use of this James. Then let's play the voice.
Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come. Thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we...
I like this voice, okay? So the next thing you want to do is to make sure you download this particular voice into your phone gallery. So for you to do that, just click on share icon right here. Then you have different option, convert to video right here. So convert to video, then send to timeline, save offline, save on device. So you can simply click on save offline right here. So I'm going to click on that. Then you can change the title, or you can leave it in that particular title. Next thing you want to do, so click on save right here, then click on OK. So after you successfully save the voice, you can exit from here, and then you go to your phone gallery. So right here, I'm going to click on here to check on my file folder. Then we'll go to files. Then I have my audio right here. So just click on that. Then I will just click on here to play the audio.
Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come. Thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us.
It's as simple as that. So this is how to convert your text to audio using free AI, a step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.